I think my biggest piece would be to start early. So I was very interested in your freelance course back when it was on a different platform. I can't remember what that platform is. And I like literally him-hawed about it for years. Like not 1 year, not two. It was like 3 years, which when I look back, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so stupid. But I really him-hawed about it. And I wish I would have started earlier because even in my nonprofit work, like immediately seeing value from those, like the different templates you had were amazing. And so that starts immediately to look professional. And even if you're volunteering, you can use those volunteer like work as different references or like proof that you have experience and you want to do it in a professional manner. And previously when I volunteered, it wasn't very professional. So even just like getting smart about how you want to do it, like start early, even if you don't have clients now, like it's really not that much money and you get a huge amount of value even for employers. Say you're still like working full time for an employer, those like time tracking, value tracking, adding all of like proving your value and showing yourself as a valuable like professional, whether your client is a full-time employer or your client is a freelance person, like different projects here and there, there's so much value in it. So I would say start so much earlier. I really wish I would have. Like it's very worth it. And it's not hard. It's really not hard. That's the biggest thing is like I thought it was so difficult. And that was my biggest thing is I don't get courses unless I can commit to them. But it's not hard. You make it very easy.